What's up, traders? I am Vincent Mokoteli from VinnBoss Signal Factory. This is not a financial advice. It's powerful education for those ready to level up. With the right mindset and real strategy, success is within your reach. Welcome to VinnBoss Signal Factory, where signals meet success. So with the euro dollar, what I'm expecting to see today is, yesterday we made sure that we were not interested even if it went up to break like that. Or if it did break up like that, we would come back and retest to find the continuation. Yet this was not the case. We did come yesterday to retest our first demand zone at the green light, the green horizontal line there, which is 1.1614, and then we were sure that this was going to continue up, but this was not the case. We came back to test our second demand zone at 1.1588. This is where we entered yesterday, and we have already broken even because today is the CPI, and with the CPI coming out, we know that there might be high volatility moves. So without wasting further time, this is what I'm expected to see. If the market comes down and breaks out our stop here, we will not lose anything, but we will still be expecting to test 1.1588 for the second time to continue to the upside. Now this is euro dollar for us. I do not want to waste many times explaining. This is euro dollar for us, and with that being said, let's go over to the pound and the dollar. So for the pound and the dollar, this is what we were expecting yesterday, a move to the downside to retest our first demand zone 1.3380, but we did not get to this level as already the DXY was on its supply zone yesterday. The private members know that we had already discussed the DXY, and this is our signal for today with the pound and the dollar. So yesterday we entered here. We also broke even today. When we wake up, it was early, around 6 a.m. and I sent a message to all the traders that we should break even, so that when the high volatility news comes out, the CPI today of the dollar, we will find ourselves in a situation where we are now immune to losing money. So we have already secured the money. So without wasting time, this looks like we are continuing nicely to make our 1:3 setup here, and this would be the 1:3 that we were expecting. This is going nice as we expected. Please make sure that you like and subscribe when you watch these videos, and without wasting further time, let me jump over to our advertisement to show you what we guys offer without wasting much of our time today. Are you ready to grow your money the smart way? At VinnBoss Signal Factory, we have investments called currency invest trade. Our investment starts small with as little as 5,000 South African rand or $300 US. We will help you double your account in just 6 months. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme promising you millions overnight. Instead, we focus on safe, stable, built on proven trading strategies and disciplined risk management. Here's how it works. You book your trading investment portfolio tailored to your goals with us. You invest your capital securely through our trusted system. We provide weekly updates showing exactly how your investment is growing and being managed. Transparency and trust are the core of everything we do, so you always know where your money stands. If you want consistent, reliable growth without the hype, this is the opportunity to step into the world of professional trading and investment with confidence. Don't wait for luck. Choose steady success. Book your portfolio today. Watch your capital grow with VinnBoss investments of currency invest trade. The next currency pair that we are going to look for is the pound and the Canadian dollar. And yesterday we did pretty much come close to making a new high, but we failed. The buyers were in control after that, but they were not that much in control to reach our intended demand zone. Hence, I'm still not in. This pair is clearly not on my trading watch list today, not unless we have the euro coming down to retest my demand zone, either the first one or the second one. Then after that, look for bullish patterns and formations to continue going up. But in any sense that we might go up without even, if we might even have to go up without even retesting our demand zones. Let's just say that the market breaks above this today with the CPI. I would still be expecting a pullback. This will be a scenario that I will be. This is last week's new high. So if we do break above this high here, if we do break, this will be a great, fantastic place to look for bullish patterns and formations right at 1.6053. This will be a fantastic place for us to look for buying setups and bullish momentum. So without wasting further time, again, let's jump over to our pound and the Canadian dollar to see what happens. So with our pound and the Canadian dollar, we remember yesterday on Monday, there was a gap. We closed the gap, made a new weekly high above here, and then we came back. Now, VinnBoss, why would you buy the pound and the Canadian dollar and sell and not buy the euro and the Canadian dollar if they are closely correlated? Here's why. The pound is likely stronger than the euro, so the euro is a bit slower to go to the upside than the pound is. If this first line that I made was the euro, this one will be the pound going up. So you see, you would rather not go for this one and go for this one. So I will only go for the pound and the euro and the Canadian dollar if it is clear enough. And remember, not only is the pound and the Canadian dollar a strong signal upwards, but it is also the pound and the dollar that is upwards. So the pound is relatively strong today, and we are almost nearing our take profit. If we do take profit before the CPI, I will not be interested in going deeper or trading again. We will be done for this trade in this week. And without wasting further time, let's just jump into the advertisement, and then after I jump into our euro and the pound to see why I was talking about the euro being weak and the pound being strong. So without wasting further time, let's go straight into our advertisements. Welcome to VinnBoss Signal Factory, the home of real traders, real strategies, and real profit. Right now, you have a chance to join our exclusive real account traders community absolutely free until September 2025. After that, we will introduce a small monthly fee, but if you join now, you lock in all the benefits without paying a cent. Here's how you can join. Register under our exclusive excellence broker link, verify your account, fund with just $100 to activate your spot. Now, why do you have to join VinnBoss Signal Factory? Daily high probability trade signals backed by deep price action analysis, live market breakdown so you know exactly what is happening and why, real account traders only, no demo hype, just genuine market moves, private traders chat where we share setups, results, and moves before they even hit the charts, direct mentorship from me, Vincent Mukotedi, to help you level up with your skill fast. Now, why would you choose XNS as your trading broker? It has ultra fast withdrawals, often in minutes, not days, tight spread, and no hidden commission eating into your profit, send account and high leverage option for flexible trading, regulated broker with over a decade in the market. The clock is ticking. Free access offer ends September 2025. After that, new members will pay to join. Don't wait until the market leaves you behind. Click the link, register, verify your account, and fund your account today. Step into a trading community built for winners. So with the euro and the pound, the same thing goes. The pound is stronger than the euro. This is why we are seeing this big sell-off, and it does not come or even retest our supply zone here and here. If you were not in from Monday here, you remember I said that we would not jump in. We would let it go below to break here so that it can retest our new low, as it will act as the resistance. After breaking our new low, it came back, retest. This was your second place to look for a short, and then this is our setup. So without wasting further time, this is the power of our strategy. All the time, this is our power of our strategy. So with that being said, we are back to analyzing this. It goes down, it might come back up, but it will surely make another low. Let me show you where our take profit is today. This is our 1:3 risk to reward ratio today. And if we do reach this, this will be a fantastic setup also going into this week. Remember, last week we did not trade the euro and the pound. It was not clear, so we do not force any type of trade to be clear when it is not. So without wasting further time, let's go into our last advertisement, and then after the advertisement, we jump straight into the last currency pair. That will be the US dollar and Canadian dollar. Are you tired of guessing in the market? The beginner to pro ultimate course is not just another training. It is a fast track to trading mastery. Whether you are starting fresh or you've been in the game and can't seem to break the wall of inconsistency, this is where everything changes. What makes this course unstoppable? It has 4 different trading strategies that you can try with. Number 1, mastering Fibonacci price action strategy. Here you will learn the exact entry zones the market respects over and over again. Number 2, smart money concept. This will teach you to trade like banks and institutions, not just like retail crowd. Number 3, supply and demand zone. This will help you identify the market turning points before they happen. Wave analysis. This is where you will predict the price movement with precision. But this isn't just theory. When you enroll, you also get, number 1, our trading signal services with high probability trades delivered to you directly. You also get one-on-one mentorship, so you are never left wondering what to do next. Number 3, you get the proven strategy that works in the real market condition and not just in backtesting. This is built for new traders hungry to learn and experienced traders hungry for consistency. It's your chance to move from confusion to clarity, from random wins to repeated results. The market will not wait for you. The difference between those who win and those who quit is the decision they make today. Enroll now and step into a world of profitable, confident trading with the tools and strategies and mentorship to back it up. So with the Canadian dollar, what we have seen is that the Canadian dollar is weak against the pound, and that's why we saw the pound being strong against Canadian dollar. That's why we saw the pound being strong against the dollar. So this means that both the Canadian dollar and the US dollar are both weak. They are both weak, meaning that when they are both weak, we will likely see a scenario whereby this happens, no clear direction. But after all, this is still our supply zone. I'm still looking for shorts. I'm in a trade. It is in a negative zone. It was in a positive zone. It's in a negative zone now. I'm waiting for it to retest this supply zone and then continue down to our liquidity zone. Maybe this would happen around the CPI time. But if it does not, again, we also explore all options. If it does not, and it takes us out, break out the weekly break of structure, we know that once this happens, it will be very likely that we come back and retest it to continue high. This is where we will be looking for our 1:3 risk to reward ratio, and this will be a perfect setup for us. So without wasting further time, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you comment. Your comments do make us work even more, and they do motivate us to see that we are not just waiting for nothing, but we are waiting for a better future. Without wasting further time, thanks and happy trading.